Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. If you're preparing for RRB PO Scale 2 or Scale 3, with the support of this video, you will be able to get the clear idea in which area you need to focus on. What type of question based on the previous interview you are going to expect during your interview of 2026. कि किन areas में आपको focus करना है, क्या important section है, complete syllabus I am going to give you in this particular video. So watch till end. Okay. One important information before moving toward the content that my IBPS RRB GBO General Banking Officer Skill 2 separate focused personalized interview batch with 2 mock interviews listed on the Guidely. You can check the details, join the batch. You will be able to get the clear and complete content within the batch. You need to follow the batch properly for your assured selection. Moving toward the content now. Welcome to Guidely, guys. My name is Aditya. If you're watching the session for the first time, so you can prefer with the content, connect with me over the Telegram also. Point number 1, why you want to join RRB? मैं आपको important questions बता देता हूँ. See, you guys are experienced in either in the banking industry or in the NBFC. आपका कहीं ना कहीं कोई experience होगा. Few of you are associated with the organization like LIC or with some other reputed organization, even in the private sector, either SDFC or Axis Bank or IndusInd Bank or ICICI Bank. So question is, why RRB? Why you are leaving your previous organization and you want to come to RRB? Never say anything negative about your previous organization. कभी भी अपने previous या current organization के बारे में negative नहीं बोलना है. You can talk more positive about the RRB. That what are the opportunities RRB do provide you? That you will be working for the financial inclusion. You will be able to include or you will be able to be more inclusive for the rural development purpose while working with the regional rural bank. RRB provide job stability along with the growth opportunity. Working with RRB, you will get the tag of a public sector banker. So you can talk about these type of aspect, that why you want to switch to regional rural bank, कि RRB join क्यों करना है. Why you want to leave your job or left your previous organization? Again, never talk negative about your previous organization. ये चीज आपको याद रखना है. हमेशा ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटी, मोर जॉब स्टेबिलिटी, बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज के लिए आप स्विच कर रहे हैं. दैट कैन बी द बेटर आंसर इन दैट मैनर. How your previous experience will be helpful in the RRB? See, either you worked in the NBFC or banking industry, you always had customer dealing. So talk about the objective of, sir, I am good in the customer dealing, customer convincing. My connection with the customer in the previous organization were very good. I was able to explain them product in a better way. My communication is good. My presentation level is fine. So because of all these things, my qualities to be working with the RRB on the position of GBO will be better. See, this is a managerial position. You will be leading a branch. So आपको ज़्यादा बात करना है over the management aspect. That I am good in the management, I am good in the team building, connecting with my staff, I can guide them in a better way. This type of pointers you need to use, that how your previous experience will be helpful in the RRB. Never say this. That sometimes they will ask you in a different manner, that you have all the experience working in the urban areas, but in RRB you will be posted in rural area. How you will manage? Don't say, yes sir, I don't have experience in rural area, I will learn. ऐसा नहीं है हर चीज आप लर्न करोगे. आपको बोलना है, yes sir, I don't have directly experience to work in the rural area, but I had my customers, those who belongs to the rural area previously also, even while working in the urban areas. काफी कस्टमर्स थे जो रूरल बैकग्राउंड के थे और वो अर्बन एरियाज में रह रहे थे. आई हैव ऑलरेडी कनेक्टेड विद देम. मैंने उनको प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफर किए हैं. आई रियलाइज देयर नीड एंड आफ्टर दैट आई हैव ऑफर्ड देम द सॉल्यूशन. सो आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ डीलिंग विद द कस्टमर्स ऑफ द रूरल बैकग्राउंड एज वेल. तो इस तरीके से आपको आंसर्स को थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंटली मॉड्यूलेट करके प्रेजेंट करना है. व्हाट आर द रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑफ स्केल 2? तो स्केल 2 के रोल्स और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज नहीं होते हैं विच आर on the scale 1 position. If you have already worked, or RRB PO roles and responsibility, they are different. RRB GBO roles and responsibilities are different. You will not going to get involved into the loan verification process or documentation process. इस सब में आप involve नहीं होते. आप higher level पर हो, you are managing the complete branch. आप branch manage कर रहे हो, you are coordinating with all the staff. You need to complete the target, cross-selling targets which will be given by your RO. वो complete करना है. You will be involved into the any type of outreach program which is announced by the Reserve Bank of India. That can be financial inclusion, offering the different product like प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना इन योर एरिया, हाउ टू इंक्रीज द बिजनेस ऑफ योर ब्रांच। आपका तो गोल और टारगेट है ऑपरेशनल वाइज यू नीड टू रन योर ब्रांच विद द ऑपरेशनल एफिशिएंसी एंड इंक्रीज द बिजनेस ऑफ योर ब्रांच। आपको तो ब्रांच का बिजनेस इंक्रीज करना है, वहां दिमाग लगाना है, छोटे मोटे ऑपरेशंस में आप इन्वॉल्व मत करो अपने आप को। सो दैट टाइप ऑफ रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी यू नीड टू डिफाइन। हाउ यू विल मैनेज अ ब्रांच विच इज लोकेटेड इनटू रूरल एरिया, तो इसके आंसर्स आप ऐसे फ्रेम करो। फर्स्ट आई विल अंडरस्टैंड द ज्योग्राफी इकोनॉमी ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया, अकॉर्डिंगली सर आई विल क्रिएट द स्ट्रेटजी। थोड़ा बड़ा आंसर होगा, बिकॉज ऑफ running out of time I'm creating the short answers. Remember that on the position of GBO you will be appointed either as a branch manager or second in command in any big branch, or you can be appointed as a credit officer in a large branch. बड़ी branch में आपको credit officer भी appoint कर सकते हैं, where you will be dealing only with the agriculture loan or with the MSME loan. Agriculture और MSME loan जो है वो आपके important point होंगे। How your previous experience will be helpful in RRB, तो मैंने अभी बताया कस्टमर डीलिंग एक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है। कॉन्फिडेंस एंड प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स, दीज आर द एरियाज सर आई हैव लर्नड इन माय प्रीवियस जॉब। कन्विंसिंग एबिलिटी, सर आई एम एबल टू कन्विंस द कस्टमर इवन फॉर क्रॉस सेलिंग ऑफ अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट विथ प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन। I never have done miss selling in my past. मैंने कभी भी अपने पास्ट में मिस सेलिंग नहीं की, but I was able to achieve all my targets of cross selling by convincing the customer. My convincing skills are good, which will be helpful in RRB as well, जो RRB में भी helpful होगी। Relationship building, basically all the things are related to creation of the new business for your branch। कैसे आप कर सकते हो, ठीक है। And previous experience, if you had working the banking, then you can use it. That sir, my previous banking experience, not an NBFC, banking. Sir, my previous experience of credit operation and the customer handling will be helpful. If you worked in the NBFCs, then customer handling, and if you worked on the credit part in the NBFC, वो आप use कर सकते हो, ठीक है। Situation based questions आपको मिलेंगे। We will be doing a separate session within the batch on this particular topic. Like fake currency have been identified in the branch, what you will do as a branch manager. फार्मर डिफॉल्टेड ड्यू टू द क्रॉप फेलियर, फार्मर ने लोन डिफॉल्ट कर दिया क्योंकि क्रॉप फेल हो गया है उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में। हाउ द सॉल्यूशन यू विल बी ऑफर। टू मेंबर इन योर स्टाफ फ्रीक्वेंटली फाइटिंग विथ ईच अदर, आर्ग्यूइंग विथ ईच अदर, how you will manage. So all these type of situation based question you can expect during the interview based on the officer level. Important topics to cover, सबसे पहले आपको कवर कर लेना है नाबार्ड, ऑल इंडिया फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन, RIDF, UIDF, रूरल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट फंड, अर्बन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट फंड, PSL एक टॉपिक है, प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लैंडिंग, इसको बहुत डिटेल में आपको कवर करना है। लीड बैंक स्कीम, फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इट, एग्रीकल्चर एंड रूरल इकोनॉमी रिलेटेड टॉपिक लाइक व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ क्रॉप सीजन, कैश क्रॉप क्या होते हैं, मेजर क्रॉप्स इन योर स्टेट इन विच यू हैव फ्रॉम विच यू बिलोंग्स टू और इन विच यू हैव अप्लाइड, जिस स्टेट को आप बिलोंग करते हो, इरिगेशन मेथड्स, modern irrigation methods, their advantages and disadvantages as well, like drip irrigation. They can directly ask you what are the advantage and disadvantage of drip irrigation. Does not matter, you does not belongs to agriculture as your education in your education, but for RRB interview you should be aware about these topics. Then after that, small and marginal farmer, different type of agriculture loans, self-help group, joint liability group, about MSMEs, micro, small, medium enterprises, loan requirement or loan document for the MSME loan, what are the schemes available in India for the MSME loan like Mudra, what is the new definition of MSME, self-help group, joint liability group, ये आपके important areas and topics हैं। This is the all things in which you need to prepare. Along with that, the experience which you had in the past, आपने जिस भी बैंक या NBFC के साथ में पहले काम किया है, what was your profile, in which area you have worked, that knowledge. It means you should have the knowledge of general banking operations as well. तो general banking operation का भी आपको knowledge लेना है। All the classes videos are available within the batch. You can start your preparation immediately by joining the batch. Prepare well, practice well, then go for the interview confidently. All the best for your selection as the scale 2 officer or scale 3 officer in RRB. All the best guys. Take care. Jai Hind. You can connect with me over the Telegram. इसमें मेरा लिंक नहीं है, आई थिंक मैं मिस कर गया। यू कैन सर्च GA Genius by आदित्य सर डायरेक्टली ऑन द टेलीग्राम, यू विल बी एबल टू फाइंड मी। GA Genius by आदित्य सर, आपको मिल जाएगा ग्रुप। टेक केयर।